Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and since we are so this is the information, the permission which will appear if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So if you are right here in the camera, you have to make sure that you're on the photo mode, and then we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, so the 3 bars icon. And as you can see, this bar is tightly connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options: the off option, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So in order to set, for example, the 10 seconds delay, just tap on this option. It should be highlighted just like that, and now we can go back and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10 or from 5 or 3, whichever option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So as you can see, it's quite easy. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on this clock icon, it will be highlighted in this grayish color, and then your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.